Good morning. Can you see and hear us clearly?
Good morning. Yes, I can see and hear you clearly.
Great. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate that you are well prepared for this online interview.
My name is Aiman Hakim, and this is my colleague Firdaus. This is an online interview for the position of staff nurse. Please feel free to answer calmly and clearly.
We can see that you are dressed professionally and in a suitable environment. That's very good.
Alright, now let's begin with the first candidate. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Irshad. I have recently graduated as a student nurse Unicare SMP. I am motivated to start my career as a staff nurse and provide safe and compassionate patient care.
Okay, Shad, can you describe your clinical training experience?
Yes, can. Uh, During my clinical training, I was posted to medical and surgical ward, and I monitored vital sign, assess patient with daily activities, and follow infection control procedures. I also always listen carefully to my clinical instructor and my staff nurse.
Alright, so I got a question for you. What would you do if you were unsure about a nursing procedure?
Okay. First, I will not proceed without guidance, and I will ask a senior nurse or refer to hospital guideline to ensure patient safety.
Alright, so that's all. Do you have any question for us?
I have one question, and I hope you can answer it clearly. Okay. May I know what kind of supervision is provided for fresh graduated nurse?
Okay, Shad, for fresh graduate, we receive guidance, orientation, and continuous support from senior nurse.
Okay. So, thank you for answer my question.
Alright, so do you have any other questions?
For now, I don't have any question.
Alright, thank you, Irshad. So we will move on to our second candidate. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. My name is Nabil. I am a newly graduated student nurse who enjoy teamwork and learning in a clinical environment.
Okay, what are your strengths as a fresh graduate nurse?
My strengths is teamwork. During clinical posting, I work closely with nurses and doctor. I am also organized, which help me manage my responsibility.
Alright, okay. So, what is one challenge you face as a new nurse?
As a fresh graduate, I am still building confidence in decision making. However, I actively ask questions and learn from senior nurses.
Alright, so that's all. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. Are there training opportunity for newly employed staff nurses?
Yes. So training and skill development are provided regularly by our institution. Are you clear?
Yes, I clear. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Alright,
Nabil.
thank you, Nabil. Okay, so we will move on to our third candidate. Please tell us about yourself.
Good morning. My name is Hakim. I am fresh graduate nurse who is enthusiastic about learning and providing quality patient care.
Can you share an experience from your clinical posting?
I assist with wound dressing, monitor vital signs, and support patient mobility. I follow instruction carefully and practice active listening.
Alright. What would you do if a patient complain about their care?
I would listen attentively, remain calm, apologize politely, and report the issue to the senior nurse to ensure proper action is taken.
All right. So do you have any question for us?
Yes. May I know how is performance evaluated for staff nurse?
Yeah. Performance is evaluated through patient care quality, teamwork, and professionalism.
Hello,
Okay,
Hakim. Do you
Hakim.
say about it?
Yes.
Okay,
I
Hakim.
thank you.
Thank you, Hakim. All right. So that's all for now. Thank you to all candidates for attending today's online interview. We appreciate your clear communication and preparation. We will contact you regarding the next steps. So please feel free to send a follow-up email if needed, or do you have any questions for us to answer? All right, that's all.
Thank
Thank you very
you,
much.
Sulaiman. Thank you,
Bye.
Sir Firdaus.
All right, have a nice day. Goodbye.
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 Goodbye.